How to transfer Solana from Phantom wallet to Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom wallet. First of all, open up your Binance application, locate Solana, and on this page, click on Deposit Crypto. Over here, click on Solana, and here you need to go ahead and copy the wallet address. So when you are done copying the wallet address, exit out of your Binance account and then log in into your Phantom wallet. So when you're logged into your Phantom wallet, that is going to take you to the home page. So what next you have to do is you need to go ahead and click on send. Over here you need to select Solana, and after that you need to go ahead and paste in the wallet address that you recently copied. And when you're done copying the wallet address, click the next button. On the other field you need to type in exactly how much amount and click on the next button. When you have done that, you'll have successfully transferred Solana from Phantom wallet to Binance account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.